Hello student, myself Professor Umesh Kantela from Satish Pradhan Dhyan Sadhana College, Thane, Department of Physics. Today we will see some basic conversions which are very much important for numerical solving. Okay, so let us start with the basic conversion, distance conversion. Okay, so distance having many units, we can measure in yard also, kilometer, meter, centimeter, micrometer, nanometer. So these are some units of distances. Today I'll show you some basic conversions. So I am taking some units which are very known to you. Kilometer, then smaller than kilometer is meter, smaller than meter is centimeter, and millimeter. Now, these are always required to solve the numericals. How do you convert this kilometer into meter? So conversion started from kilometer to meter. So this is the arrow which gives you idea. The tail of the arrow is on kilometer and head of the arrow on meter. So we have to convert from kilometer to meter. Okay. So 1 kilometer to meter, we know that it is 1,000 meter. So I'll just write it into 10 to the power 3. That means 1,000 meter. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. And this is the multiply sign. Now, meter to centimeter. So starting point is meter and ending point is centimeter. So this second arrow. Now, meter to centimeter is 100. So 10 to the power 2. Now, if we want to convert from centimeter to millimeter, starting point is centimeter, ending point is millimeter. Now we know that 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. So 10 to the power 1. So what is requirement to write the power 1? Okay, I'll tell you later on. So if we wish to calculate the distance from kilometer to millimeter, any guess? Observe it, kilometer, starting point is kilometer and last millimeter. So convert the distance from kilometer to millimeter. Okay, so for unity, I can say 1 kilometer will be what in millimeter? So 10 to the power 3 multiply by 10 to the power 2 multiply by 10 to the power 1. So according to rule of indices, 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6. So it is 1, this number 1 into 10 raised to 6. So this is the conversion 1 kilometer to millimeter. Similarly, you can convert meter to millimeter. Okay. If someone want to convert 5 meter to millimeter. So 5 is the number and meter is the unit. So look at here, starting point is meter, ending point is millimeter. So multiply the powers, base is 10. So 10 raised to 2 multiply by 10 raised to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 and 5 is as it is because it's a magnitude. So 5 into 10 raised to 3. So this is 5 meter distance into millimeter, 5 into 10 raised to 3. Similarly, if we wish to convert from millimeter to centimeter. So how do we convert? See, just observe it. Start drawing arrow in reverse order. Starting point is now millimeter and ending point is centimeter. So we know that 1 centimeter to millimeter is 10 raised to power plus 1. So millimeter to centimeter, it is multiplied by 10 to the power minus 1, because we are going to convert from smaller unit to larger unit. So power will be negative. Okay. Similarly, centimeter to meter. So it is multiplied by any guess? Yes. 10 raised to power minus 2. Okay, let it be. I'll write it properly. So it is multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2. And last one, meter to kilometer, it would be written as multiply by 10 raised to power minus 3. Now, just take some examples. We will convert it from smaller to larger part. So millimeter to meter. Okay. So suppose someone want to convert 11 millimeter distance into meters. So as we know, starting point is millimeter and ending point would be meter. So multiply the powers. Okay. 10 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 3. So it would be 11 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is the conversion. Let us take one more example. Someone want to convert from centimeter to meter, suppose. So suppose 3 centimeter into meter. So all you will tell me that how do you convert? Say centimeter to meter, it is just multiply by power 10 raised to minus 2. So 3 is the magnitude and 10 raised to minus 2. So 3 centimeter into meter is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Okay. Now, I will give you some numericals here for practice. So suppose 5 kilometer dash in centimeter. Second example, 6 millimeter will be dash in kilometers. Third one, 0.1 centimeter will be dash in kilometer. Fourth example, 0.02 meter will be dash in centimeter. So you can use this distance conversion, and it would be, I think it would be very helpful to you while converting the units in same system of units. So these are very useful conversions. Thank you very much for watching my video. We will meet you in next video for next conversion.